Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soldering iron, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 and removing any attachments. Take your Phillips screwdriver and carefully unscrew the back panel. You will find 4 screws holding the panel in place. Once these are removed, gently lift the panel off, exposing the internal components. Next, take note of the wiring and connectors. It's important to document where each connection goes for easier reassembly. If the screen is not functioning, the issue may lie within the circuit board. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cable attached to the screen. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose, being cautious not to damage the connector. Now, we will clean the internal components. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the exposed areas, focusing on the circuit board. This helps eliminate any dust or residue that may interfere with functionality. Remember, a clean circuit board is essential for optimal performance. Once cleaned, inspect the circuit board for any visible damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you identify any broken solder joints, use your soldering iron to reflow the solder. This step is critical, as poor connections can lead to screen malfunctions. After reworking the solder joints, reconnect the ribbon cable to the screen. Ensure it is properly seated in its connector. If you encounter difficulty, double-check the orientation and alignment of the cable. Now it's time to reassemble your Thermomix TM31. Align the back panel with the device and secure it using the 4 screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic casing. Before plugging the device back in, take a moment to review your work. If you have any doubts or if the repair seems too complex, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your device and provide a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed of the service costs. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and power it on. Check if the screen is functioning properly. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix. If not, consider reaching out for our expert assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel, we handle everything for you. This process not only saves you money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with your repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.